Hey everyone, if you work with electrical connectors, especially Molex style terminals, then this one's for you. Hey, Garrett here, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the needle nose extraction tool from Jonard Tools, part number EXM-43. The go-to tool when you need to remove terminals cleanly and without damage. This isn't your average pick tool. It's purpose-built for precision terminal extraction, and it's designed to make the process quick and frustration-free. Here are some key features. Needle nose precision. The fine needle nose pin easily slides between the housing and terminal tangs, so you can effortlessly compress the locking tabs and remove terminals without bending or breaking anything. Comfortable control. The sturdy handle gives you a secure, comfortable grip, ideal for those small, detailed connector jobs where control matters most. It works with a wide range of Molex terminals: Microfit 3.0, low profile, pitch, DuraClik, and more, making it a super versatile pick for anyone working in electronics, telecom, or harness assembly. Built to last. Made from high-quality metal, this tool is built for long-term reliability, even in demanding production or repair environments. So if you're tired of fighting with stubborn terminals or risk damage with improvised tools, the EXM-43 is your new best friend. Check out our full lineup of extraction tools from Jonard Tools to make your job faster and easier. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.